Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're boosting your internet speed and security with a powerful VPN setup using RaceFiend and the HTTP custom VPN app. Get ready to experience faster, safer browsing. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your RaceFiend server. 1. Go to RaceFiend. Open your web browser and go to the RaceFiend website. 2. Access the OPEN SSH menu. Tap the menu button to access the server options. Select OPEN SSH. 3. Choose your location. Select your preferred server location by tapping the Select Location button. Choosing a server closer to you generally provides faster speeds. 4. Create your account. Create a unique username and a strong password. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification to prove you're human. Then tap Create Account. Make sure to keep your username and password secure. 5. Note your server details. RaceFiend will provide you with server details, including the IP address and port number. Write these down, you'll need them in the next step. Step 2. Connecting with HTTP Custom VPN. 1. Install HTTP Custom VPN. If you haven't already, download and install the HTTPN app from the Google Play Store. 2. Launch the app. Open the HTTP Custom VPN app. 3. Enter your server information. Carefully enter the server IP address, username, and password you created earlier. Also, enter the correct port number provided by RaceFiend. 4. Optional SSL settings. If your RaceFiend server supports SL, you can enable those settings within the HTTP Custom VPN app and input the appropriate SL port. 5. Save and connect. Tap Save to store your settings. Then tap the Connect button. Successfully created a secure and potentially faster internet connection using RaceFiend and HTTP Custom VPN. Let's stay connected. For continued support and engagement, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp. You can find the links in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching. Important note, always be cautious when using third-party services. Ensure you are using reputable and secure services. Consider the potential risks associated with VPN usage and always prioritize your online safety.